Hello? Hello, don't shake it. Oh, hello. That's it. Hello, Eric. Hello, Ryan.
Yeah. Hello.
You need to say hello, teacher.
Wow. Hello, teacher.
Okay. So remember yesterday we talked about how to check if a string is a valid parenthesis, right? Yes. How about I ask you this question? How about if I give a string which contains the parentheses and tell me how many brackets or parentheses do you need to make to put into the string to make it a valid parenthesis? For example, like this, then you should give me 0 because it's already valid parenthesis. And how about this? You should give me 2 because you need to put one parenthesis here. Yeah, your 2, right? Get it? And how about this one?
I don't get it what you mean.
How about this one? Look, this is the one we inserted. Okay? You need to insert 1, so that's 1. Alright?
Oh, you have to make
a valid. So for example, this one. This? How many? What's the answer? Yes, 1. Because you need to put 1 here, right? That's 1. And how about?
Sit down.
How about? How about this? How many do you need?
1, 2.
2, yeah, because you put 1 here and 1 here, yeah? Okay, so you get it?
Yes.
So, any idea how we solve it?
Oh,
How do you solve it, Ryan? Any thoughts? Any thoughts?
The fine.
Yeah, I mean, just how many? How do we solve this problem? Don't shake other people. Yeah. So how about if we keep? Also remember we keep. No. Yeah, it's value. We can 0. Yeah, of course. We keep a variable balance. Yeah. The b value because the current number opening brackets parentheses.
Yeah.
Okay, so like look 1. Yeah. Here, left bracket is 1. Opening parentheses 0. Okay, so that's 0. How about this? If I don't have left, okay. So look, that's -1, right? So if it's -1, then I how about I have answer?
That's only 2.
Answer 1 here, and then the balance will become 0 again, and then this one is 1. Okay, the end. Then we add 1 more because the current opening bracket is 1, so we add 1 more. And how about this one? 1, 0, -1, yeah. So we add 1 more, yeah, 1. So to get it, or you can do this. You can put it this way, or you can put it here, right? It's the same, yeah, yeah. And how about this one? 1, Eric, look, 1, 2, and what's next? 1, right?
1, yeah.
And then you have 1 more, and then you add it 1. How about this? This is interesting. Look, -1, yeah. So every time we find it's negative, we add 1 here to the answer, and then 1, 0, yeah. -1, add another 1. When it's falling below the 0, we don't increment. We make it 0. We make it immediately 0 and put the answer 1. Okay, do you get it? Okay, so this should be very simple. Okay, how do we do this? Define, yeah. Okay, define. Let's say repair. Okay, repair parentheses. Am I right? And s, let's call it answer equals 0. Okay, this is the answer we're going to return, Eric. Yeah, and then current balance, Ryan, look, balance, we call it 0 at the beginning. For I in S, look, if I equals left parenthesis, right?
opening parentheses.
Then what should we do now? We should increment the balance, right? This is the count to say how many opening brackets we have, right? Else if I equals the closing parenthesis, then we need to decrement the counter to 1, right? Right? But if it's below 0, what happened? If below 0, it's quite similar, yeah? Below 0, then we make it 0, right? Make it 0, but we need to increment the answer. Am I right? Okay? And what's the end here? What's the end? Return. Can you guess? Return what?
Answer.
What's your answer? Return yours is answer, okay? And what's Eric's answer?
Maybe.
Maybe.
No, maybe answer.
This is not quite right. We still have to do what?
No.
Plus what?
Plus. Repair.
No. Plus.
B.
Yeah, plus B. Yeah. Remember, when we do this, 1, 2, 1. So we have 1 left, right? It means we need to close 1 bracket. Am I right?
Yeah.
Do you get it? It's quite similar than the one yesterday, right? To check.
And if it's full 0, you put opening bracket.
Sorry, what do you mean?
If it's under 0.
If it's under 0, like this, look. If it's under 0, right? If it's under 0, and I answer increment 1, and I make the balance 0, because now I can stop. Okay? Do you get it?
Yeah.
So look, how many do you need?
3.
Yeah, because look, always smaller than 0. -1, -1, -1, make it 0, make it 0, make it 0, and increment the answer 3 times. Got it?
Yeah, babe.
Yeah, you need to make the balance 0. Otherwise, because
I got a big brain here.
yeah. Because if you're not making the 0, then this will be incorrect, right? Because you're adding the answers and balance together, right? Yeah. So the complexity, term complexity is. Do you still remember?
O.
What?
Log.
No.
No, O-N.
O-N.
Yes.
Yeah. Because we're going through the string once. Exactly once. Okay? So that's good. So how about...
Any questions? Say bye.
No. No.
Sorry.
So any questions so far?
No.
No questions? Okay, so... Yes, say goodbye here.
Bye-bye.
Okay,